Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you paano ba natin malalaman yung mga intruders sa ating alam ng ating mga cellphone. And if bago ka pa lang dito sa aking YouTube channel, please to like, share, and subscribe. Updated ka pa sa lahat ng mga tutorials na i-upload ko. And don't forget to follow me on my Facebook account, MJ Trico Mazula LTT. Thank you so much and God bless you. So without further ado, let's start. Pumunta lang kayo sa inyong Play Store and then install MacroDroid Device Automation. Once you're done installing the MacroDroid from Google Play Store, let us open it. Please take note na if you're installing this, make sure you have your internet connection. So just click this arrow, the next and next. Okay, and you're done. Go to templates and click top rated, and after that click intruder photo. So as you can see, there is plus sign here below, so click that and click the box that you have read and understood. The requires device administrator. Okay, then click activate, and after that click take picture, click configure, click OK, then go back, click allow, and click front facing, hide camera icon, and this one is dito papasok kung saan magsisave yung mga photos ng intruder na inyong cellphone. So either you select a folder or create a new folder here, it's up to you. So let's create a new folder here. Let's try to put a name, intruders photo, and click OK. So use this folder. Allow MacroDroid to access files in Intruders Photo. This will let a MacroDroid access current and future content stored in Intruders Photo. So click allow and OK. And you're done. So for the result, I will going to lock my phone and I will try to open it using a wrong password so that we can see if this gonna work or not. Okay. So while my phone is locked, the screen recording is not unable to run in the background. So hindi nyo makikita na nag-lock ako ng phone, and I'll try to put a wrong password. Kasi nga, hindi siya nag-run background while naka-lock yung phone ko kanina pag off. So let's check if it works. Okay. So here are the pictures of me na kung saan nag-try ako mag-open 3 times using wrong password. So it really works. I hope this helps you a lot. So please do share this video, like, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and God bless you all.